I walked within a garden fair. At dawn, to gather roses there. When suddenly sounded in the dale the singing of a nightingale. Alas, he loved a rose like me, and he too loved in agony. Trembling upon the mead he sent the cataract of his lament. With sad and meditative pace, I wandered in that flowery place, and thought upon the tragic tale of love and rose and nightingale. The rose was lovely, as I tell, the nightingale, he loved her well. He with no other love could live, and she no kindly word would give. It moved me strangely as I heard the singing of that passionate bird. So much it moved me I could not endure the burden of his throat. Full many a fair and fragrant rose within the garden freshly blows, yet not a bloom was ever torn without the wounding of the thorn. Think not I offers any cheer to gain of fortune's willing spear. Fate has 1,000 turns of ill, and never a tremor of good will.